Hi sir, do you have any idea for your house?
Oh, actually,
Hey, I tell you something. Just now I just completed one project, it's damn far and ulu. And the owner asking for this, asking for that. But when I step into the house, I tell you it's very
2,000 years later.
Okay, so this is what I did before, okay? So do you have any kind of idea of your design?
Solely, I have 20k Instagram follower. I have to dress properly. Image is very important for me.
No worries. What do you have in mind? Like any suggestion to renovate our house?
Well, as you know, I'm the award-winning interior designer. Before we proceed, I need to follow my sense of design, okay?
Hey, do you think you can do like something like Angmo house?
Angmo house, like Brad Pitt, like Tom Holland?
Yeah.
No problem, Angmo house, no problem, sure, okay.
And also, especially the bathroom, I want like open concept one. Like everywhere glass you can see.
Open one
Yeah,
no problem, madam, no problem.
And also one more thing, I really like marble. Can you do like TV console and ceiling and also table? I want marble, all marble. Is it can? Do you think you can?
Seriously, for you guys, no problem. All
sure?
marble, all anything you want, no problem.
bro, you sure you can?
Sure lah, bro, everything okay one, sure, no problem, okay one. Hey, hi sir, madam, right, sign.
Hey, what all this one?
Hey, don't worry. This is your design and floor planning, everything. Come, just sign first.
But I thought we haven't agreed the terms and price leh.
Hey, serious madam. I award-winning leh. Trust me, steady one. Come, sir, sign first. Here, over here, sir. Hey. Wait, sir, sign eh. Sir, where you going? Wait.
Familiar experiences? Well, worry no more. Just visit Renotalk.com and we will bring you the best from our local interior design firm.